Fire safety. Fire safety. Accidents due to fire occur most frequently. These accidents can be caused due to firecrackers, electricity short circuits, or leakages of cooking gas, petrol, etc. Safety rule for fire. Never sprinkle water over a fire caused by electricity. You may get a shock. Rather throw sand over the fire immediately. Turn off the main switch. Fire extinguisher can also be used. In case of fire caused by petrol, do not pour water on it. This is because petrol floats on the surface of water and continues to burn. Throw lots of sand and mud over it and immediately inform to the fire brigade. In case of gas leakage, open all the doors and windows immediately. Do not light a matchstick or switch on any electrical appliances as it may cause fire. If someone catches fire, do not let him run around. Instead, make the person stop, drop, and roll on the ground. Animal bite. Animal bite. Most common animal bites are caused by cats and dogs. Pets are usually vaccinated and their bites can be treated at home. A bite from wild animals needs immediate medical attention. First aid for animal bite. Wash the wound with soap and lots of water to remove germs. If the wound is bleeding, apply pressure to stop bleeding. Apply an antiseptic lotion and tie a bandage to prevent infection. Take the victim to the doctor. Snake bite.
If you were able to notice the color, body scales, head, or any special characteristic of the snake which bit you. But if you missed it, need not worry. Remember, don't waste time in catching or seeing the snake. It's not necessary.
Sachin, what happened?
I got bit by a snake.
The first thing that you should do after a snake bite is to immediately call for medical help. You can call for an ambulance by dialing 108 or the nearest rescue team of your region. Medical attention is always required whether the snake is venomous or not.
A snake has just bit my friend. Please come near the Kasturi Park.
The most important thing is that the victim should remain calm, relaxed and fearless because with the increase in his heartbeat, the blood flow will increase, resulting in a rapid spread of the venom.
Don't panic, be brave. Do you know only 20% snakes in the world are venomous, and 50% chances are that a venomous snake delivers just a dry bite. Even if snake might have delivered you a venomous bite, by correct treatment and measures, you can be easily saved from any injury. So be tension free.
Then you should go to a safer place away from the snake's reach. Note, the victim should do as less movement as possible. Remove any tight-fitting clothes on or near the wound as swelling may occur. Also, remove every tight object such as rings, wristwatch, etc. Remember, don't cut the wound because it will increase the risk of infection. Don't suck the venom out, as it not only removes negligible amount of venom from the body, but may also poison the sucker. Also, don't eat or drink anything, especially alcohol or caffeine, as it may increase your heart rate, leading in the rapid spread of the venom. Then, if possible, arrange for a band-aid or any clean cloth available to you. Wrap it around the wound, loose enough so that it makes a finger-sized gap. Then, wrap it till the top as much as possible. Remember, don't use a tourniquet as it could potentially restrict the blood flow too much. Also, don't use ice on the wound as it can increase the damage. Then, you need to immobilize the affected body part. For this, arrange a wooden rod, stick, or a board, whatever is available to you on the spot, and place it on one side of the affected body part. To hold it, fashion a splint using a band-aid or a cloth. With this, first aid treatment gets completed. The doctor will then detect the venom and will give you the appropriate antivenom.
Poisoning. Some things of daily use like naphthalene balls, phenyl, nail polish, and detergents are poisonous if swallowed. They have to be handled carefully. Safety rules for poisoning. Keep all the medicines locked in a cupboard. Keep away all the poisonous things from the reach of children. Read the label carefully or consult an adult before taking any medicine. Do not consume any medicine without consulting a doctor. In case someone has swallowed poison, remove any leftover poison from the mouth. Note the label of the poison and ingredients to share with the medical staff. Do not induce vomiting. Rush the victim to the doctor or hospital.